that there is this huge potential capable of transforming the whole economy and bringing a boom.
A big part of the success of this community, of the London community, is the kind of talent that's in this room tonight. You guys are good at what you do, and we need more of it, and we need you to do it. But we need you to bring others along with you. You have a unique role and responsibility because of the opportunity that you've been given. So what are you going to do? It was an interesting group of people, a room full of innovators, people thinking how to break the mold, to reinvent business models, to think about how technology can change the world and improve the world. So it's exactly the kind of audience that I like to spend time with.
It's vital that everyone, banks, financial services firms, investors, entrepreneurs, that they all engage in a very collegiate type of way. Long may it continue.
Hearing Stephen Howard speak about our roles as business leaders, as change agents, as managers, and I think as humans is incredibly relevant, and it's thought-provoking.
That's why we came here, to have a connection to the sensational Anthemis ecosystem.